Hi everyone and welcome back to Perima's kitchen. Today I'm making a sausage chutney. It's a quick hack and it's something that we all enjoy, not just for breakfast or brunch. I admit I even have it for dinner sometimes. And there's no limitations to what type of sausage you are using. You can use soya, you can use your plant-based sausages, your chicken sausages. My favorites are the ultra mild, the spicy and the turbo mutton sausages from Nagiah. Today I'm using the spicy mutton sausages. So let's get to it. I'm only adding a little bit of olive oil to my pan. I'm going to fry up my sausages. They usually take about 10 to 15 minutes to fry. And I don't like to cut them up in the pan. I like to fry them up whole so it retains all the juices. And once you're done frying your sausages, remove them one by one and set them aside so they can rest. While it's resting, it will release more of the juices inside its actual cavity. So while the sausages are resting aside, let's continue with the chutney. So I have added olive oil to my pan and it's all of the juices from the sausages as well. If you want to remove any of the oils, you can. I prefer to keep all the oils there. I love all of the flavors. I've diced up 2 onions and I've just added it to the oil. Now let your onions fry up in the oil. It will caramelize slightly and that will give it a beautiful sweetness. And once you've fried it for a couple of minutes, you can then add your fresh curry leaves as well as some green chilies. I am using spicy sausages today, so I'm not adding too many green chilies, and you can use as many as you wish. Again, let it all fry together. And immediately you're going to smell that amazing aroma. The curry leaves and the onions alone, it's just magical. I'm now ready to add my spices. First, it's 1 tablespoon of masala, and I'm using Nagiah's everyday masala, followed by half a tablespoon of Kashmiri Chilli powder, and you can use your mild, your hot chili powder, whatever your preference, followed by half a teaspoon of turmeric. And then we just need to mix it up in the oil, warm it up to release all those yummy flavors. And you can turn down your heat to low. We're going to add our diced tomatoes. I'm using approximately 4 diced tomatoes, so it's about 2 onions and about 4 to 5 diced tomatoes. Mine were quite large. Add a sprinkle of sugar, that'll help balance the flavors, as well as your salt to taste. And I am using fine salt. I feel like there's not enough time for your rough salt to dissolve completely. So while your chutney is simmering, we're going to move on to the sausages that have been resting on the side. And you will notice that leaving it aside gives it that time to reabsorb all of the juices in the sausage itself. And when I do cut my sausages, I cut them at a diagonal. And in doing so, it really just helps to increase the surface area of your sausage so more of your chutney and spices are absorbed by your sausages. Toss all your diced sausages into your chutney. Make sure you mix it all properly so the flavors are incorporated throughout. So I would let it fry all together for a couple of minutes. And you can turn off your heat and then garnish with some fresh coriander. and you're now ready to serve. You can have it with fresh basmati rice if it's a brunch or lunch or dinner. Alternatively, some fresh rolls or fresh white bread or just a salad. I absolutely love it. It just goes any time of the day you need a quick fix, a curry fix. The sausage chutney always does the job. And you can use any sausages of your choice, from vegetarian sausages to chicken or mutton. And those Nagiah sausages, those are a staple in my home. Even when we lived overseas for a bit, whenever I had visitors, I would make sure they come with a cooler bag full of all my favorite sausages from Nagiah's. Thanks for watching, and as usual, all the ingredients used will be found in the drop-down description below. Please subscribe. Kindly hit the notification bell so you are notified when a new video is uploaded. Please like and share, and your comments are always very, very welcome. See you again soon in Perima's kitchen. I am Selena.